Okay, so now we have the delete methods, and deleting a playlist is required, but deleting a video is optional. I'm going to go ahead and do both, but you only need to do deleting the playlist. But at this point, it's pretty straightforward. So let's open the delete routes. And first up is deleting the playlist, and then this is all the same except for this lookup should be webui.lookup playlist. And then playlist get all videos, remove, playlist delete, that's all the same. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the delete video as well. So music video is webui.lookup video. And then we're looping through each playlist and get all playlists, which I've already fixed, and then playlist.remove video should be the same, and playlist.delete. So that should be it, like 2 lines. So go ahead and rerun, and then reload. So I'm going to delete a video, and let's go ahead and delete. So the Terry Tuner's Mighty Mouse was in the Mighty Mouse playlist. It's the last video there. So if I delete this now, actually got an internal server error. So object type music video has no attribute music video map. So I missed one in musicvideo.py. So this is still referring to the map, which is now inside of the user state. So I'm deleting the video. The video itself has a user key on it that I can use to look up the user state. So I'm going to go ahead and start with from logic.userState import user state, and then user state is equal to user state dot lookup, and then self dot under user key, and then I'm going to say if self dot get key in. So I want to look it up in the, I'm in the music video map, right? So I want to remove it from the music video map. So that's going to be user state dot get video map. Then I'm going to remove and I could actually do this. Let's do map equals user state dot get video map, and then we're gonna look it up. Let's say video map, and then we're gonna say if key is in video map, then we're gonna delete video map get key. And I keep saying self.getKey, so let's go ahead and do self.getKey. So that's different from the user key. So this is the video key. And then, so if video key in video map, then we're going to delete video map sub video key. Okay, so let's try it now. And reload. So this time, argument of type method is not iterable. So I forgot to call video map. So that was a bound method. So I do that too sometimes. And reload. Okay, so video deleted. So now if I go to Music Box and I look at the list of all videos, the original Mighty Mouse theme is not here anymore. And then if I go to the list of all videos here, it's gone from here as well. Now, let me take a quick peek at one thing here. So the delete method is calling, delete playlist. So, all right. So I put a comment about that in the core shell back when we worked on the delete, but this should have been delete video from database instead of delete playlist from database. So let me go ahead and see if it's working. Now, you wouldn't have noticed the difference because it wasn't in any playlists. The video was there, but it wasn't in any playlists, so it was hard to notice that it wasn't actually getting deleted from the collection. So it should look pretty much the same now, but I'm going to go ahead and delete X and Y. So let me go to main. And I'm going to go to delete video. And let's delete X. And then let's delete Y. And then list of all videos. And list of all playlists. So now Mighty Mouse playlist is completely empty because I deleted both of the Mighty Mouse videos. Actually, I deleted the one Mighty Mouse video that was in Mighty Mouse. The other one is not in Mighty Mouse. Okay, so that's deleting a video. Now we're going to delete the playlist. So let's go back to Music Box. I'm going to add a playlist first. So create a new playlist for garbage. And then test playlist. Create. And then let's go ahead and add a couple of videos to it as well. So add, just no actual value judgment being rendered on the music that I'm adding to the garbage playlist. And then I'm going to print the list of all playlists. So there's a playlist with 2 videos in it. And then I'm going to go to delete a video. Delete a playlist. And we're going to delete garbage. And I got an error. So once again, I'm referring to the original map. So I'm going to have to go to playlist. And I'm going to do the same thing here. So from logic.userState, import userState. And actually, I can copy most of that code for music video. So let's do that. So everything is good up till there. And paste. So we're going to refactor rename. Video key should be playlist key. And then user state's the same. Video map is going to be playlist map. And this is going to be get playlist map. Then if playlist key in playlist map, del playlist maps the playlist key. Then we delete. So this one goes away, and then this one stays. And then as long as I'm here, I'm going to look for map everywhere. So it's not in playlist, and then it's not in music video, and I'll look in performance video as well, just to make sure I didn't miss anything, because we're pretty much done at this point. Okay, so I think that's everything. So I'm going to go ahead and reload, and this is going to delete the playlist garbage. So now back up here, print the list of playlists. There's no garbage anymore, and all my videos are gone. So let's take a quick peek at the database and make sure I didn't have anything extra. So reload, log in. Okay, so we're going to take a look at playlists. And so all the marked stuff is the same. There's the Mighty Mouse Elvis Costello, Allison, and then Mighty Mouse, all videos. I'm sorry, this is playlist. Yeah, so this one up here is Elvis Costello. This is all videos. And then the Mighty Mouse topic playlist, and then that should be it for Mighty Mouse. Oh, so garbage is still here. So it looks like I didn't actually delete it. So let me take a look at what's going on there. So playlist, delete. I'm calling database.delete playlist self. So let's look at database, delete playlist, playlist collections, delete one. So this ID is using the key still. So ID should be using the dict ID. So let me go through and do that for delete video as well. So I did miss that. So playlist dict is playlist to dict, and then for ID here, it's going to be playlist dict square bracket ID. It's not the most efficient way to do it because I didn't need to make the whole dictionary. I just needed to get the ID key. Yeah, so let me do that. I'm gonna do that. I mean, it really doesn't really matter. It's not really that much less efficient, but I'm going to do it anyhow. So this toDict method, this thing is what the ID is. And here we're going to do self.getID. And we're going to define before get key, we're going to define get ID, and it's going to just return that. So there's the ID, and then I'm going to do the same thing in, I'm going to do the same thing in music video. So here is get key, I'm going to do get ID, and then here too I'm going to use get ID. And then in database, everywhere where I'm referring to the ID, I'm going to make sure that I'm using the get ID instead. So let's go to the top and just sort of scroll down. Okay, So here I'm looking for ID. So that's in read users. Read user. And actually that one I am using just the username in lowercase. So I could, can't really do anything about that one. That one's already correct. And then this one doesn't do database lookup. Save playlist. I'm already using playlist dict, and I need the playlist dict for this parameter, so there's no additional value in using getID instead. And then save video, same thing. I already have the video dict because I need it for that. And then this delete video, this was the one that I needed. So instead of playlist dict here, I'm going to do playlist dot get ID. And then this last one is going to be delete video, is going to be video dot get ID. All right, so now let me try it. I'm going to stop and rerun, and the playlist should magically appear. So if I reload and then go to music box, list of all playlists, garbage magically reappeared because it never really got deleted out of the database. So, and then it still has some videos. So let's go ahead and we're going to delete the playlist. And then let's look in the database this time. So reload there. And go to the end, and there's no garbage playlist anymore. Yep. Okay, so we just have all videos and Elvis Costello and Mighty Mouse. So just those 3 playlists. All right, now I do probably still have some garbage videos in here. Let's see if I still have the X and Y. Yeah, so these are garbage videos, the X and Y. But don't really have a way of removing these because they don't show up in the playlist. They're not in the all videos playlist. So you can't actually see them in any of the things that list the videos using all videos. So delete a video, it just doesn't show up in the list. So, but if I rebuild the data, that will fix it. So I'm going to go ahead and rebuild the data. And then going forward, there shouldn't be any new ones. Okay, so rebuild data, we actually have a problem here. So the constructor, right, so all these constructors, or this one, I'm missing video map. So that should be after user key. Get playlists. So I'm going to go ahead and basically make a video map, which I'm not going to use for anything, and a playlist map. And then every time where I make a video, I'm going to pass in video map. And every time I make a playlist, I'm going to do playlist map. All right, so we're going to fade through black. Okay, so that was the map for all of the videos. Now let's do it for the playlists. So this one's going to be playlist map. And then I'm just going to add that to all the playlists. All right. And then here's the all videos playlist for user 1 and user 2. All right, so let's try rebuilding the database now. And I'm going to log out and log back in as me. And then list of videos looks good. And list of playlists. Looks fine. And then I'm going to log out and log in as Mighty Mouse. List of videos. And list of playlists.